Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find comment settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, and now click settings, now click social permissions, and here as you see you will find your comment settings and you can manage it as you want, and that's it. That's how to find comment settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.